I turned $1,000 into more than $50,000 trading on Robinhood. And I want to make this video so maybe one of the guys up there in the Robinhood team will watch it, and maybe they'll decide to change and upgrade the service, because Robinhood is a great platform. I'm not going to say anything bad about the platform right now. I'm just going to say the things that Robinhood is missing for professional traders to be using. And I'm not a professional trader. I'm just a full-time trader. And I decided to ditch Robinhood. The first reason I decided to leave Robinhood is because of the pre-market and after-hours sessions. Um, so the pre-market is limited. For what I know right now, you can only trade 30 minutes before the market starts, before the market opens. And the regular session is 2.5 hours. So Robinhood basically only lets you trade 30 minutes before, and I feel like an hour after hours, but I'm not sure. So they don't let you trade those full time. So this is one of the things that, in my opinion, will change the platform a lot, because pre-market and after hours are very important, and they've traded a lot. The volatility is completely different. So if you know how to master those hours, you can actually make a lot of profit out of those hours. And not being able to trade them on Robinhood is a big miss. Now, the second problem that I have with Robinhood is margin. Now, I know that there was a little glitch being used with Robinhood where people got like 25 times the margin with options. But I'm a stock trader. I don't trade options, so it doesn't even relate to me. Us stock traders, first of all, if you trade penny stocks, most of the time you wouldn't even get margin. It's completely in cash. But there are some penny stocks that would let you borrow, would give you margin, and most big traders, most big brokers would actually give you a 4-time margin without even doing anything. But in Robinhood, you have to join to Robinhood Gold and pay them $5 a month to have the ability to have a 2 times margin, which is, I mean, compared to 4 times for free, just not worth it. The third problem I have with Robinhood and I want them to fix is the trading platform. They don't have a trading platform. They just have the app and the website. And I think back in the day, they didn't even have the website, but I'm not sure. But I wish they had a trading platform just to have quicker executions, and using something else other than Thinkorswim or eSignal. Have your own charting platform. But again, that's not Robinhood. So I hope one day they'll get to it. My fourth problem with Robinhood is the customer service. They don't have a customer service hotline. From what I know, you can reach them on the phone, but it's mostly just through emails. And when it comes to money, it's a big deal. So, I mean, you want to know that you're protected with your investment and the money that you have in the platform. And you want to know that you can call them at any time and ask them what's going on. If you had a problem with a trade execution or whatever, there are some problems that can happen with brokers. And, having the ability to just call the broker and see what's up is always just way better than giving them an email and waiting like 48 hours for a response. So the last one, the fifth reason, not that important, but still. So Robinhood doesn't have all the stocks listed on it, and it doesn't have a lot of the OTC stocks. So you'll be surprised. There's a lot of stocks on Robinhood that are like not supported on Stock Trade, or there's a lot of stocks on Robinhood that you can just purchase, but if you try on a different broker, it will give you a message saying you can only do it over the phone, which is kind of interesting. But Robinhood still haven't got the OTC markets, and there's a lot of stocks that still are not supported on Robinhood. So I know it doesn't affect all of the traders, and I know most traders don't even get there. But there is a huge community of people that trade OTC, and they're not gonna touch Robinhood because Robinhood doesn't have that option. So yeah, that's what Robinhood needs to improve, in my opinion. Just because I really like the platform, it's a nice platform overall, and it's commission free. they really changed the game. Actually, before Robinhood, big brokers used to charge commission, and they changed the game, and now big brokers don't even charge commission. So it saves us traders a lot of money in the end of the day, and it's a great movement by Robinhood. But those things, those small things that every other broker has and Robinhood doesn't, just sets them apart, and that's the big reason why mostly beginner traders are using Robinhood. So I hope one of the guys at the Robinhood team sees this video and changes everything. And I also hope that if you're if you're a beginner trader and you have no idea about brokers, it will give you a better idea of what Robinhood is. And yes, I have a link in the description that you can start a Robinhood account and you get a free stock, and I get a free stock for it as well. Now, don't get me wrong. I know that this video is about what I want them to change. However, it's still a great broker. And if you want to get into swing trading, let's just say, it will be one of the best options out there. So you can definitely check it out. And hopefully one day they'll improve the small things that I would just like to see improved. One good thing about them that they improved is that they added a debit card now. So these days, most of the other brokers, you can get a debit card and use your profits instantly. So now Robinhood is back in the game, and they got in that game. And I also know that they give you like a 0.3 interest on your money. So that's also cool. Yeah, and I want to say thank you for all the new subscribers, guys. Thank you for all the support. And if you're new, please thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Peace.